It's Easter and we're making Easter baskets. As always, I started out painting the crate using acrylic white gesso as a base. I decided to paint a gradient of pale yellow going into a bright pink, and I made each box upside down, so one of them started with yellow on the bottom and the other one started with pink on the bottom, going up into the other colour just so that they were a bit different. Everybody gets chocolate at Easter, and for kids I think it can be nice to get something a little bit different. I wanted to keep costs down, so I went around the shops and found different items that were all under £2 each. I found these rabbit pot toppers in Asda and they were £1.50 each. I think they look really cute and they stuck onto the boxes really well. I have quite a lot of dress it up buttons, and so I just used some random ones and stuck them onto the box. The same with the stickers, I just put on what I found around the house. I have quite a lot of craft things anyway, but anything looks nice. You can usually get stickers really cheap in supermarkets. When I put the stickers onto the crates, I used a gel super glue from Gorilla just to make sure that they would really stay on. So I'm all ready to fill up the little boxes that are all painted and everything. So first of all, I've got some tissue paper. I'm just going to fold that down and put it into the bottom just to pad it out a little bit. I've got these little notebooks, which I might actually get some Easter stickers if I can find some in the shops next week. So I've got these pens. Are pastel coloured pens. I thought those were quite sweet. And I've got these, which are always kind of a favourite. These are the little fidget poppers, like fidget popper bracelets. And I got these, which are really cute. They're like little light up spinners. If I take this out, I'll show you how it works. I got one in pink and one in blue. And I got these really cute little pencil sharpeners, which are like little bunnies. So I'm going to put the pink one, the blue rabbit, and the blue one with the pink rabbit. Yellow one's in. What do you reckon? Looking good? So that's it on the Easter baskets. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as Moonlight enjoyed smelling everything. And if you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and add any comments. And happy Easter, everyone!